Hi. Welcome to V-Skills. Today, we will discuss which resume format is the best. Your resume must stand out enough to make it to the next round of the selection process. The format of a resume is very important, since the employer will spend only 30 to 40 seconds per resume on an average. First type is reverse chronological resume format. It is undoubtedly the most commonly used resume format, and it is generally acceptable as well. Chronological resume formats are most suitable for: first, college students looking for internships or campus placements. Second, professionals with an extensive employment experience. Third, candidates with a work experience that shows progress and forward movement along a relatively narrow career path. This format also contains other sections. Fourth, who have gap years in their career. Fifth, who are planning to change their field. Sixth, new college graduated with no relevant experience in the field. Seventh, who are working with an executive recruiter. Second type is functional resume format. Functional resume formats are also used by people nowadays because in recent times, as they focus on highlighting one's abilities and achievements, in spite of just the work experience. Functional resumes are more suited for: first, who have gap years in their career. Second, who have relevant skills that they can emphasize on. Third, who frequently change jobs. Fourth, people who want to change their fields. While deciding on the information that you want to mention in a functional resume, keep in mind that you must focus on roles and responsibilities, relevant skills, experience, and achievements. Third type is combination resume format. Here comes another format of resume. In case your candidature doesn't fit in the above two formats of resume, you can go with combination resume format. Combination resumes format is most suited for: first, candidates with in-demand skills that are a major part of the position sought. Second, people who are applying for technical, scientific, or IT positions. Third, people looking to change industries and fields. Candidates who shouldn't use a combination resume format: college students or recent graduates without any relevant skills.
For more videos, subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon for updates. Also visit our website to know more.